Hey, what's up guys? It's your Shyam with another video helping you to turn your trading journey into success. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the 5 top indicators. Okay, the first one is moving average. Okay, moving average is a technical indicator that calculates the price of an asset over a particular period of time. Moving average used to identify the market trend. If the moving average is the below of the price and pointing upwards, then we can say it as a uptrend. Okay, same for the downtrend also. Like here you can see this, the moving average is above the price, so it's called as a downtrend. We have another one that is flat or sideways. This we can consider as a sideways. It will give you the support and resistance as well. If you plot another indicator and another indicator, in no sense another moving average, and if you can take crossover, then it will give you the support and resistance. Okay, it is very easy to identify the pullbacks from these moving average, and most of the traders favorite indicators is moving average only. Okay, and what is the second indicator? The second indicator is RSI, that is, no need to say, relative strength index. It's a momentum indicator that measures the speed of which the price is moving. The RSI indicator is an oscillator. That means the value of the RSI reveals from 0 to 100. According to many textbooks, if the RSI is above 70, it will consider as a expensive or overbought zone, and if it is below 30, it's considered as a oversold or cheaper. So whenever the RSI reaches 70, it will definitely correct. It's not a certain rule that, but most of the time if you see here, it will correcting right from 70 levels, and if you see at the same 30 levels or 20 levels, it will bounce back because people or buyers will feel that it's available at cheaper price. In fact, in some of the days, if you observe that RSI will be above 70 also in a continuous uptrend, and in a downtrend also, continuous downtrend or a strong downtrend, it will be under 30 also. So there is no certain rule that if it should bounce from 30 or it should retrace from 70 levels. So this is all about the RSI. The next indicator is Vivap, and the third indicator is Vivap, volume weighted average price. Vivap gives average price at which the stock has traded throughout the day based on the volume and price. Hence, Vivap shows the fair value of the particular stocks. Lot of big fund houses and hedge funds uses this indicator. They will buy at fair price. Okay, so whenever you want to trade in intraday, whether if it is a 5 minutes or 15 minutes, this is the best indicator to decide whether you want to go in buy side or sell side. Okay, so most of the traders will use this indicator. This is the, I can say, one of the best tool. The next indicator is Bollinger Bands, two lines that are plotted at standard deviation above and below the moving average. Okay, it's a simple moving average. It's a 20 moving average actually. Okay, and upper line is calculated by adding 2 standard deviation to the moving average, and the below, I mean this line, is subtracting 2 standard deviation to the moving average. So this is the basic formula to calculate the Bollinger Bands. Okay, the main uses are like if it is expanding, it will shows the volatility in that particular stock or indices, and if it is narrowing, then we can consider it as a there is no volatility, and if it is hugging the upper line, then we can say it as an uptrend, and we can look into for buying opportunities whenever it is hugging the bottom line. Okay, and we can easily find out or identify the direction of the stock with the Bollinger Bands. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please go and hit the subscribe button, and if you first time visiting our channel, please like it and subscribe it. The next indicator is ATR, that is average true range. Shows the market volatility over a particular period of time. When the market is in strong uptrend like this, ATR will keep on rising and show high volume It doesn't matter trend is up or down. If the price is uptrend or downtrend, the ATR will go up like this. This is the best example. So the stock is coming down and the ATR is rising in the downtrend, and we can see the same scenario in here in this example also. The stock is going up and the ATR also keep on rising. Okay, whenever you want to enter into a trade, ATR should be go up. That's where we can take confirmation that momentum is rising. This can be used to identify the stop loss and profit targets also. And please note that these are the indicators not on the priority basis from 1 to 5. Majority of the traders use these indicators. So and these indicators not to be used alone in the trading. Okay, so combine at least 1 or 2 indicators with the price action, then you will get a best results out of it. Okay, so hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Candwick Traders, Shyam.